Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with JTech. Yeah.
Fellas, the winter's coming.
Yes, sir.
Winter's coming.
Yes,
It's getting cold. It's fourth quarter of the year. You know, if it was in football, you'd be glued to your sets.
Well, I have been.
That's right. It's the fourth quarter of the fiscal year.
Yes.
We need to see what's happening. Where do we make money in the fourth quarter of the year? Pivot Point Investors, y'all ready to cover?
Let's go.
Let's get it. Hello, I'm AC Cash, and this is
Jada Technician.
and this is
JD.
Boom. We're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the average investor grow his nest egg. And today is the fourth quarter, guys.
It is.
Man, it's that time.
2021.
It's that
Man, this
time.
year almost over, man.
I know.
It's
People
almost
buying
over.
sweaters and stuff.
Yes.
Literally, I'm in Miami and somebody had Christmas lights out.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Christmas,
I
I'm
believe
for
it.
real. Christmas lights
I
out.
believe it. I
It's
believe
crazy. It's the fourth quarter. People do crazy stuff, but
Yes, sir.
right now we're talking about this money. We're talking about the moolah, the
That's
netto.
right.
That money,
That's right.
all
Yeah,
day.
yeah, the mark, the
Yeah,
pesos,
that's
the Deutschmark. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. We're talking about this money. Where do you make money in the fourth quarter of the year?
That's right.
Okay, y'all good with that?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's going on. So,
We ain't gonna give them all
just
the
let's-
whole recipe. Let's
No.
just give them
Get a
2,
little
3, maybe 4.
There you go.
Like, we
How
ain't
many
gonna give 'em
herbs
all.
and spices the guy got?
Which one? 32? 32?
We're only gonna give about 6, 7 herbs and spices.
Woo.
That's all we're
That's
doing.
still a lot, but
That's all right.
okay.
Y'all know how I feel about this sharing. This
you're gonna have to stop.
Yeah,
You
he's
gotta
not the
stop
share
that.
guy.
No,
He's not the
shit.
share guy.
And it's coming toward that season. You're gonna have to share.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna hit you yet.
I'll add one more.
We're not messing with you. So, fourth quarter, we want to know, hey, I got some money. I got a little bit of money. Might have 1,000, 100,000, might have $1 million to play with. And we need to know what are the areas that are making money now. So, Mr. Boom, if we wanted to kick it off to you, we would say, how do we start it off? We're looking at where to make money.
The way to make money, you got to think about it like this. So, fourth quarter, that's October 1. And we're going into December 31st, 2021, right?
Okay.
So, number one thing for October, that theme and a real money maker, even though we still got COVID going on, is Halloween.
Halloween.
You'd be surprised how much candy is shipped by Amazon, how many toys, how many costumes,
All
how many
right.
themed kind of Halloween, and how big business Halloween is, right?
Okay. You gonna be the Grinch this year? What you gonna be?
Hey, well, that's Christmas.
Yeah,
That's
no.
Christmas. You jumped ahead because you got to look at the holidays.
But
So-
that's your outfit. That's your scary.
I could do that.
That's
I
all I'm
could
saying.
do that. I could do
What
that.
I'm talking about.
But let's just take it like that. First month we got October,
Okay.
right? So we got Halloween.
Right.
The second month, of course, we got Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Right? And so you got movement around, you got logistics, you got a bunch of different things because you got people and packages moving.
That's right.
Right? So then
So who making money on packages moving, sir?
So we just talk logistics, UPS,
Okay.
number one, FedEx,
Right.
and then you still got to throw Amazon in there because they're logistics for their own packages.
I got you.
And
I
so
got
they
you.
moving all this stuff for Halloween. They'll be
Right.
moving a bunch of stuff for Thanksgiving,
Right.
and then the granddad of them all, Christmas.
Okay.
Santa Claus coming to town.
That
That's the
time.
trifecta.
That is their time. They make
Yeah.
the majority of their money during that fourth quarter. All these logistic companies.
Absolutely.
So, okay, I can dig that. So, okay, we're making a little money. We're throwing some dimes in there. And tech, if we're talking about what's the next area, we got to say what?
Retail.
Retail. You mean
Retail
people
all day.
buying stuff?
No, they are still buying things up till now. I mean, even though right now people are a little shaky and leery in the tech sector because we still got the chip shortage going on.
Yeah.
That's still they're not gonna stop anything. They are still expecting right now, even in the car world, for demand to be the highest it's ever been in recorded history.
You said the
for
car
cars.
work? Yeah, car. Man,
For
it's hard to get a car
because
right
you can't
now.
get one. You
Yep.
still can't get. So almost every car is going to appear on the lot. You're probably going to be lucky. I think we're so used to seeing, especially Mercedes. They like to show the one with the Santa Claus driving all the Mercedes.
That's right. That's right.
We may not see many of them commercials.
Uh-oh. They might have a commercial. They
They,
just want no
yeah,
cars.
they ain't gonna have no need to show those commercials because honestly, the cars are still gonna be flying off the shelf as fast as they're appearing. they're going to disappear. So I do tell people, unfortunately, do not wait all the way till Christmas season in the car world.
Okay.
There is probably a huge likelihood there will be no Christmas specials. They're going to literally sell them cars as fast as they're coming through the door.
It's a different ball game.
Yeah, you know, normally when you do sales events, it's because you're sitting on a bunch of cars and you're trying to get them off.
And they're trying to move them before the tax year changes so they get credit for taxes this year.
But the car lot's empty right now. I mean, I drove past a Nissan car lot and was actually able to count the cars on that lot. And that's insane.
That's unheard of.
So a bunch of ladies saying, "Oh my God, look what he got me with the bow on the That might not be happening.
No. They're gonna be like, I want that right now. Don't even worry about the bow.
I need that IOU, baby. Next February, we got a little something for you.
Literally, the car situation has been so serious. I literally went looking into purchasing a car for the missus, and I got there, and there was a truck shipment there. The cars were there.
All right.
And I said, oh man, you know, I wanted to, look at a car. The man said, demand is so serious right now. We have already sold 3 cars off the transporter, and we haven't taken the cars off.
Haven't driven.
They even took them off.
Okay.
They were already gone. So that's
me.
major. Another major one's going to be the retail area. Of course, JD already picked up on that. Amazon.
Juggernaut.
We're going to get him an Amazon hat.
It's all right. He'll wear it next time.
You already know Apple, especially because they had announced the new MacBook. They announced their new Mac line as well. They also announced the new iPhone 13. So that's going to be another major selling point. Samsung might throw something in the mix next month, but we can't go on theory. We got to wait till they drop something. But they do normally piggyback, of course, Apple, Microsoft, Samsung. They're always in competition with each other.
Hold on, question. J-Tech, question. Isn't Apple using their own chips now?
They are using their own chips.
So this is the first.
This is the first official line that everything belongs to them.
Okay.
So, but that doesn't mean that they're not going to run into a lot of glitches and hurdles that Apple is pretty known for in their first series. But it doesn't matter. People are going to be diehard Apple one way or another.
All right.
And then last but not least, we got to focus on Target and Walmart because, as you already know, you remember Black Friday. That'll still come, but may not be as good as it used to.
Okay.
People have been seeing history. Honestly, Black Friday's catalog has been getting.
Yeah, that's a
it's almost like Black Friday the whole month of November almost with all these deals and everything.
Come and get it.
But time out.
Limited.
It's one thing that could affect all the stuff we just talked about.
Okay.
Yeah, we got to make sure our people and our members understand, and that's this labor shortage.
Labor shortage. Yeah. Okay.
You gotta have the people
to
service the people to make the stuff.
And see, that's the downside of all the stimulus money because people still laying around. They're not trying to work. No matter where I go, there's so many industries saying we don't have people.
Right. Almost all of our business friends are complaining that they can't find nobody to hire.
And they're paying more money. It's not like they're saying come in rock bottom. They're saying, hey, we got money, but do you want to work?
I heard a McDonald's was paying somebody $17 an hour.
17 an
hour at a McDonald's.
At the Mac and D's. Okay. That's what's happening.
That's sticker shock everywhere.
I know. So what happens when they have to pay the workers more?
Everything goes up.
Everything starts going up.
That's right.
And in most areas, things are going up. There's prices escalating. Just to move a package, prices will escalate. In retail, people got money, but the prices tipping up there. And if we talk about real estate, obviously the prices are going up. But that doesn't, I don't want people afraid of real estate, because we say the numbers
is
it's
just,
all right.
But the data is all over the place. Because if you look at the first time home buyers, those numbers are down right now.
Yeah.
But even though they're saying that, the prices of the median homes are still going up. Even though you got less people in the game, it's not changing the numbers.
Right. So that means, hey, you just gotta be smart. Because right now, so I just left Miami, went to MIAO, and
you always somewhere.
I gotta go somewhere.
You gotta go check the
the big world out there. You gotta go see it. And they're still building. And they're selling houses. They're selling houses now. It's not that crazy stuff like it was. 20 people backed up in offers for every house. It might be 5 or 6. They were paying 25% over asking. Now it might be 6-7% over asking. It might have sold in 14 days. Now it's 21 days. It's really not as hot. And so if you're going to put your money in real estate, say where to do it. Well, I was down there solidifying a contract on a pre-construction property. So been in this deal for about 6 months, and the price has gone up, about $80,000 since I had the contract on the property. And they get up to 100 or something, I may consider letting it go and letting the next person enjoy it. But if not, I'll hold that. But the numbers have gone up. So am I happy as a consumer? I am happy because the numbers are going up and I'm buying at a lower rate. But if you were just going to buy something to buy, flip, and get out of it, the moratorium is sunsetting on this don't pay your landlord deal.
Oh yeah. It's got to go. And I really feel bad for landlords out there that have really had to and I understand the argument. You can protect them, but who's protecting me? My lenders still want to get paid for this apartment or this duplex or this quad.
That's right.
So I'm like, man,
it's a give and take because they consider, you're the landlord, but you're just mom and pop. You got 1 property, 3 properties, you're still a small mom and pop. And when small the people don't pay and they're just in there sucking up the AC, using the water hose, letting it run, and then they say I don't have to get out because I still have 2 months to not pay rent. That's uncool.
And people just milking it. Some people, it's one thing if you got an issue. But we just talked about the labor shortage.
That's right.
So if you want a job, you can get a job.
Right. Oh, that's no question.
And so the problem that comes out of that is that some of those mom and pops are gonna kind of fall by the wayside, and they're gonna be putting those properties up for sale. But if you're sitting waiting for it to drop in your lap, you might not get a deal like that. But if you're putting those flyers out, you're putting those postcards, you're calling people saying, hey, if you're interested in it, I might be interested in your property. That's how you find the deals that are off-market deals. That's not on the MLS, that really aren't everywhere, but there's deals to be found. So I don't want you afraid of real estate. But there's so much information we can give. They gotta at least be in the family, and if they're in the family, that means they're subscribers. They subscribe, and then because it's so nice and generous, and giving season, they're gonna share it with a friend. Man, they're talking to their friends. They're home. They're saying, "What's going on? Let me just share it with a friend." It's the 4th quarter, man.
I'm saying, man.
It's the 4th quarter.
I'm saying.
You gotta be thinking sharing.
That's the Grinch. That's the Grinch.
You mean if you bought the book Real Estate Investment, you wouldn't share it with a friend? If you bought J.D. Boom's book, The Boom Effect, you wouldn't share it with a friend?
I might sell it to him.
Sell it to him. Oh, man. That's terrible.
So it's Christmas holiday season happens in the 4th quarter. And this is what we got to deal with, right?
Got the Grinch.
This guy's our partner. He could easily say, hey, guys, I'm going to buy your book for 10 members or 10 people, and I'm going to send the book out, And I mean,
but, hey,
that's always a gift to us. That's a gift to the people. He's knocking out multiple birds with one stone. But you see what we have to deal with.
Hey, but sometimes there's always gonna be that one.
There's one in every family.
That one. Everybody give it 5 stars and they come with that 2. But I didn't like the color of the bow on the tackles. You get a 2.
Yeah, man.
Hey, it's all right. It's okay. You share because it's the giving season.
It is. It's the right thing to do.
That's what you do. And if you feel like sharing, you should send out the Boom Effect by J.D. Boom. And Real Estate Game, you should send out Financial Freedom. The Real Estate Investment with AC Cash, Adrian Cox. Go get your book. And if you're not feeling like the Grinch, share it with us.
Always.
That's what you do. Hey, but we're trying to find the money. We're trying to see where to go with your money. Got a little bit of money to spend.
I got one more thing for them to think about.
Okay.
Like imagine, it hadn't even really gotten super cold yet. But say you had $1,000, $5,000, $10,000.
Can you see
it? And it was one stock.
Yeah, the money goes.
Yeah, one stock.
The money, one stock.
Consider this company.
Which one?
Company, this stock.
Which one?
Starbucks at the beginning.
Starbucks, what they doing?
Oh man, Starbucks is phenomenal.
Yes,
the model is phenomenal. They went international. They're killing in Asia. And guess what? It hadn't really got cold again yet. So people buying them $5 coffees and
frappuccino.
Oh man, what do you think is gonna be happening when it's cold? You know, people gonna be going to get. Yes, sir.
That's what's gonna be happening at the Starbucks cash register. Okay.
So imagine you can bookmark this. October 1, check the price.
Okay.
We're going to check again December 31st, 2021, before we go into the new year. That last one of those couple of days of the year, we're going to check.
You throwing out
and then we going to come back and see.
Out a little something.
And then we going to see wherever it is.
Okay, so what's going on? I'm not saying if you want to do something, you can do it.
I got to let my partner do the voices. He can do all of
I'm just saying. I think at the Starbucks, you put a little money in it. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, but if you do it, look at your boy. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying nothing, but
JD Bloom has spoken now, so that's it.
All right, we take that. We'll see how that goes. How you feeling about that?
I'm feeling good about it. We'll see.
That's good stuff. Any other areas we want to cover just so that the folks know I got a little money, where to throw it? Fourth quarter?
Hey, I mean, I'll be honest, one more thing. Guess what? A lot of stuff is going to be created this last fourth quarter. Trash.
Waste management services.
Waste management, WM stock. Another one, October 1, and check it again. But this one, you got to go in January a little bit. Let's go around MLK Day in January 2022. And let's check the numbers.
You know, he did a little DJ Khaled. Another one.
And another one. And another one.
Hey, man, I got them on speed dial for these folks. But our members get this love, man. If you ain't in it, you ain't in it.
They just get the crumbs.
Yeah, you get a little residual, like you can say you can know we official, but that's it. But you can check those too. Like it's like go 5 more, 6 more deep.
No, we'll hold it. We'll put a pin in there. We'll hold it right there. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling good. Everybody feeling good.
I feel good too.
Yeah, I got a suntan and everything.
Dude, I don't want to hear about you in that suntan.
I got a suntan.
I mean, right now you're pretty much the darkest one on the screen.
That's all right. That's a good thing.
I'm hating on him because he could have said, "Hey, boom. Hey, Tech, you want to come to Miami with us?"
Nah, he ain't gonna do that.
He just said, "Hey, fellas, I'm out." You know, I'm out.
No, what he's gonna do is he's gonna send you a picture.
I got great pictures. You want me to show you?
Yeah, see, I ain't seen this
great picture.
Then before he even touches down good, back in the ATL today, hey guys, we gotta do a show. Hey guys, gotta do this. Hey guys, so it's like, hey, he done with a party and played around, and then he come back serious business.
When I'm looking at real estate, it's not playing because when I'm lking at real estate, what you think I'm trying to get?
More money.
That's what we're doing. Whether it's in the bottom, MIA, or we in ATL, or wherever we may go, we're always trying to get the people the money.
That's right.
Okay, y'all all right with that?
I'm okay.
All right, very good. I think we're cool. I think the fourth quarter is covered. We'll know what to do, and we'll keep dropping nuggets. I think they'll feel that. Y'all good with it?
Yeah.
Okay, hey, we're gonna get out of here. I'm AC Cash, and this is
Jay the Technician,
and this is
JD.
Boom! Coming to you on behalf of Pivot Point Investors. Fourth quarter, man, Montana's got the ball. We're scrambling in the end zone. We're trying to throw touchdowns.
That's
We're
right.
trying to get it to the end zone.
That's
we want you in the end zone. We're gonna be there. We hope you are there with us. What you think?
Yes,
Hey,
but instead of Montana, it should have been Mahomes. That's the new one. Yeah.
I went with the flashback. I did the throwback jersey. He come with the new school jersey. All right, that's all right. He's scrambling. Hey, all of them are good. Just stay with a winning team. Either way, you end up in the end zone. Y'all
Let's
good?
go. I'm with it.
Hey, Pivot Point Investors, we're out of here.